Greetings, multimedia students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with a supplemental but brilliant tutorial. So, we are digitizing our t-shirt designs, and in the assignment, the options were Pixlr and PowerPoint. Pixlr, turns out, they are changing their business model to where they're going to charge for multiple downloads. So, we're not going to play that game. We don't have any money to give them. We don't want to give them our money. There are different tools that we have that we can use for free. So we're going to go to Photopea. So in order to avoid the download issues, Photopea.com, Photopea.com. So here's how we do the same t-shirt design that I showed in yesterday's tutorial, or the previous tutorial I should say, on this website. So it's the Mahjong tile. And what I want to do is open from my computer the t-shirt template. And hopefully it is here. Yes, it is. And I believe that the t-shirt is going to be black. So we have our front of our t-shirt, back of our t-shirt here. And I'm going to change the color palette to black. And then I'm going to paint bucket. Actually, I'm going to do my magic wand first and select an area. I believe my paint bucket is in here, the gradient. Fill. Magic wand here. Paint bucket fill and so forth until t-shirt is all black on both sides, which is now. One last one for the front here. Front of our shirt black, so I'm going to Control D so it's deselected. Now I just got to get the Mahjong character into the t-shirt. This is where it varies from Pixlr, so pay attention to how we get an image into the shirt. Okay, so rather than use the layer function like we did for Pixlr, what we're going to do to get an image into our Photopea palette here is go to File. We're going to open and place since we have the picture that we want to use. So I'll click that. I'll go to my Mahjong picture that I already cropped in the previous video. And I'll select that. And then it gives me a resizing abilities. So I'll do that. And I can do this and then finish up by changing this to black because it's an all black shirt. And that's it. So that's really the main difference between Pixlr and Photopea is how you're going to get your images in. Same thing if you were to go to Cool Text to get something. So let's just test that theory out. So if we go to cooltext.com, we want to put in Bullard on our shirt. So we'll create that logo. Download that logo. Back to Photopea, File, Open in Place, and we'll select what we just made. And there it is. So we can resize, put on our shirt, and we are good to go. So that, in less than 5 minutes, is how to do this project with another tool that doesn't charge you for downloads. If you need help with this project, of course I will be there to help you. See you back in class.